Agahan iset. Oh, kaya pandesal, pandesal po. At cheese, pandesal at cheese. With cheese, ayan po yung cheese. Okay. Date recorded. 04 May 2015. 04 May 2015. Lunes, lunes. Ah, ito po. Ito po si kuya. Ah, okay na. Mm. Okay.